I didn't know gold was accessible before I was introduced to Glint.
There's still so much risk and financial uncertainty, which is why gold appeals to me. My money's free from inflation, which is a big thing. It's in a vault with my name on it, and I can spend it or save it how I want. It gives me back the choice.
There's so many things changing with currency values. Having something as stable as gold to put your savings in, to use for your cash, it's a really great thing to have. There are lots of apps for your money, but Glint's the only one that gives me the option of choosing to spend my money as gold.
This is something I understand and trust. It's not a cryptocurrency. With Glint, it's my gold, and I have the freedom to spend or save my money exactly as I want to.
Glint makes it really, really easy to pay my money in and transfer it across into gold. It's the click of a switch.
It gives me the freedom to spend in gold or the best currency in that market. It's so simple, and now everybody has access to it.
My name's Lucinda Carey.
I'm Sophie McIntyre.
And my name's Pele Cox.
My name's Peter Marion.
My name's Chaz Singh, and I use Glint because I trust the value of gold.